Guys, welcome back to part 4 of the adventure build. We're back at High Road Motorsports in Vancouver, and Anthony's in the back there with the 2024 Ducati DesertX. So let's get in there. Today's going to be all about performance and protection. We've got some treats in store for you. Let's go check it out. Look how narrow that is versus that. Whoa! This engine, that's the heart and soul right there, so let's protect it. So on the performance side of the house, today we're installing the Powerworks Stage 1 PowerShot on the 2024 Ducati DesertX. It's a plug-and-play decat solution that removes the catalytic converter. This thing is a beast while improving performance and maintaining ideal back pressure. No remap is needed. It's just better flow, less heat, better sound, less weight. And like you, I'm doing a whole lot of research on this, and I've been speaking with their lead designer. I got some really interesting insights to how this system works. Now that I've had time to ride with it, here's the deal. It doesn't completely kill the D-cell popping. At least not in my setup, but honestly, I'm good with it. I actually like it. It's got a deep rumble, it's not obnoxious. Just a nice tone with a bit of attitude. Now, there's no need to remap, and that's a big deal. Fitment was clean, it definitely runs cooler. The mid-range feels more responsive, smoother, more progressive power delivery, especially in that 4 to 6K RPM range. It's nice to hear her wake up. Like I previously mentioned, protecting the heart and soul of this bike, its engine and lower frame, is key. That's why I've upgraded with the B&B Offroad bomb-proof bash plate. It's a serious armor where it counts. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bash plate a must-have for any serious rider. Really impressed with the coverage there. Comes up higher in the front. Along the sides, you can see it comes up nice and high. Some nice overlapping here. So wherever it overlaps, you got 8mm, so 4 and 4, 8 there, so doubled up there as well here. You can see the suppressor there. Again, doubled up there. This is a separate little piece. I think it's referred to as a keel guard or keel protector. Anyways, you just bolt that on. That gives you a little extra side stand protection. But you can see that you've got this multi-point connection from the bash plate connecting here up into here, all in powder black as well. So the point is it's just a really rigid, strong connection points to the bike. It's pretty obvious there's a lot of attention to detail to the mounting of the bash plate. I really like how it ties into the factory look. One of the reasons why I considered this was I'm getting the bike ready for some longer trips, and the stock skid plate on the Ducati DesertX is a bit of an embarrassment. It's a bit of a joke. But look at this thing. This is anything but a joke. For example, look at the thickness of this. Billeted armor for your bike. Like, look at the precision. A lot of R&D into this. Everything lines up nicely, front to the mid to the back. It's impressive. It has a little bit of attitude now, right? And it matches the bike. I mean, look at her. Ford sounded a little bit like a sewing machine. Come on, Ducati. And stay tuned for part 5 of our adventure build. We're not done yet. Nuh-uh. We got a ways to go. So, and if you haven't checked out part 3, part 2, part 1, go back. Consider subscribing. Could sure help me and the channel, help us grow. Tell YouTube that you're liking the content and you're liking what you're seeing, because that's how they roll. If you don't give them a thumbs up, they don't say anything, they're like, oh no, this is not good, Peace.